Hey everybody, it's Alexia from A Mystic's Path, back to bring you guys some more clarity. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching the Tarot Scope for Aries for the month of April 2021. Now this is for Sun, Moon, and Rising sign Aries. And if you are new to the channel, please make sure that you subscribe and turn on the notifications so you do not miss any more monthly guidance, weekly guidance, pick a card readings, and messages from Spirit. Now, I want to go ahead and dive in and let you guys know what it is that I see for my Aries people for this month. Now, we have the cards of Time Machine, Opening to Discover, Dust Devil, Moving Out of Stagnation, Fortune's Wheel, the Moon, the Prince of Cups, so it's the Knight of Cups, the Five of Cups, and the Ace of Wands. And then we have the shadow cards of Waking the Lion, Will of the Wisp, the Seven of Swords, and the King of Wands. Now, the first thing that I'm seeing for my Aries people, and before I get started, I want to go ahead and say happy birthday to all of my Aries people that are sun sign Aries. Now, the first thing that I'm seeing for you guys is a change in your energy level, a change in your motivation, a change in the stagnation that you have been feeling. There's this energy of passion coming in and almost the energy of creativity within a darkened space, and that you guys are kind of going to be, and I don't want to say darkened space like depressive space, but I mean a space that is kind of quiet, that is yours, or that is just you. We can see within the Seven of Swords that he is happily with all of his things versus all of the people in the background. And I kind of see this as your creativity as well as a balancing effect to get you kind of into this space of opening to new possibilities. There's this energy of kind of being captivated within your own like realm of time, that it's almost as if when you are opening up to the realms of the universe and creativity, I feel like it's really big energy of creativity and passion into projects and things that you like to do, and things that make you feel alive and spontaneous and excited, that there's a really like kind of this end energy or this shifting energy to this low vibrational energy that you may have been feeling. You may have been more in this energy of being emotional and not really connected to the things that you generally like to do. And that is the shift that is happening this month, that you're kind of getting back into your desires and the visions that it is that you see. And I really feel like this is from a creative standpoint. And it's even if you're not working on things that are creative or creative projects or things that you deem creative, it's just walking in that energy of creativity. And that energy of creativity is really putting into, like, the Knight of Cups is the one who's really putting his paintings onto canvases, that is really professing and proclaiming his love for whatever it is that he loves, whether it is an art form, whether it is, like something that, he does that doesn't have to do with art, whether it's a person, it doesn't matter, that he's proclaiming, his love and desire for things. And this is that action that you are taking from the desire that you are feeling, and that this new energy and motivation is going to change that, and like that spark of meaning and fulfillment is changing the energy of feeling disconnected and low, and it's like underfunded in an energy sense. We have the King of Wands here, who is full of potential, who is full of energy, who is full of charisma, who is full of passion and loves to be out and doing things. So I really see that you are kind of connecting back into your Aryan self, connecting back into your energy levels of going out and kind of getting things done and kind of just discovering the world. It's not an energy of work ethic, unless that's something that you're working towards. It's more an energy of wonder and discover, and almost like this childlike energy of what it is that you're finding when you are discovering the universe and the world in your own creative way. All right. And I really encourage you guys to kind of tap into that, because if you're not tapping into this energy and you're focusing your time more on mundane things that are not fulfilling to your heart, you're going to stay in this Five of Cups space, and that place where you've been feeling off, where you've been feeling stagnant, where you've been feeling low funded in an energy sense, may even turn into depression, and we do not want that. So really connect to your creativity and connect to your inner child, into your passion and what makes you feel alive, and literally work on incorporating that and bringing that into your life to get out of this space of stagnation. There is literally an energy of passion that is waking within inside of you, that we can see with Waking the Lion. All right, so that is what I'm seeing for my Aries people for the month of April. If you feel like you need a reading specifically for yourself, please do not hesitate to contact me. I would love to work with you, and everybody have a great day.